thunderstorm warning for Baldwin County in central Georgia, northeastern Wilkinson County in central Georgia, southern Hancock County in east central Georgia, northwestern Washington County in east central Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Underwood, or near Milledgeville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milledgeville, Sandersville, Hewlett, Caddo, McIntyre, Toomsboro, Oconee, Deepstep, Midway Hardwick, Downs, Devereux, Beulah, Wortham, Underwood, Allenwood, Linton, Pancras, Scottsboro, Hebron, and Hardwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Strong thunderstorms